Although it is the Chinese New Year, Huawei is gearing up for the P series' upcoming big thing. We now have a brand new Huawei P60 Pro concept render with a cool-looking periscope camera and curved display edge. While the Huawei P60 series has yet to receive an official announcement, concept artist HoiINDI keeps releasing fresh CAD renders to keep us intrigued. It seems like Huawei might have some exciting new things in store for its customers soon. According to rumors, the business intends to introduce not one, but two flagship smartphones in March. These reportedly include the Mate 60 series, which will come jam-packed with a ton of new features and improvements, and the P60 line, which will concentrate on photography. The main sensor may be the camera in the center, which may have been modeled like the P50 Pro or the most recent Nova smartphones. It has a periscope camera, which is regarded as a signature feature for Pro versions, coming from the bottom entrance. With the standard, though, it's possible that's not the case because it depends on optical zoom. Recently, there have been some leaks about the P60 Pro model, including renders released on Twitter by an artist going by the handle HoiINDI. A periscope camera can be seen in the lower left corner of the photos, which also show off a curved screen and an unusual camera module. The P60 Pro will have 3 cameras on the back, with a main 50-megapixel Sony IMX888 sensor, according to earlier leaks. The smartphone's 64-megapixels telephoto camera will use an OmniVision OV64B sensor, while the 50-megapixels ultra-wide camera will use a Sony IMX858 sensor. According to renders, Huawei's own image brand, XMAG, is also shown on the camera module. The P60 Pro will reportedly have an under-screen fingerprint scanner. A 6.6-inch OLED display with a QHD+ resolution and compatibility for 120Hz refresh rate are among the P60 Pro's alleged specifications. The device might include UFS 4.0 and LPDDR5X storage. Additionally mentioned are HarmonyOS 3.0 and an IP68 rating. A 5000 mAh battery with 50 watts and 100 watts wireless charging capabilities is also anticipated for the P60 Pro. It is significant to note that Huawei has not yet made an official announcement on the P60 or Mate 60 series, and we have not yet seen any renders for the Mate 60 series. Essentially, this is a good representation of what we will see, but what is on the other side may surprise us. It should be noted that these concept renderings are based on previous rumors and leaks, and do not represent the actual release. Thank you for watching this video. What do you think about the new phone? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day everyone and see you soon.